Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my new Arabic series. Today we are going to learn lesson number 7 part 1 and the topic is Arabic alphabets Ain. First of all, if you visit first time my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and give thumbs up. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. Do you remember this word? This is Ain. This is Ain. Now try to read with vowel signs. Ain fatha, Ain dhamma u, Ain kasra e. Let's try to read together. A, u, e. In this exercise, we will learn the words start with Ain. The first one, Ajala, wheel. Let's repeat. Ajala, wheel. Okay, the next one, Aba'a, clock. Let's repeat. Aba'a, clock. Okay, the next one, Azma, born. Let's repeat. Azma, born. Okay, the next one, Ainun, I. Ain, I. Okay, the next one, Asal, honey. Let's repeat. Asal. The next one, Inab, grapes. Let's repeat. Inab, grapes. The next one, Iqal, handbands. Iqal, handband. The next one, Usfur, bait. Let's repeat. Usfur, bait. The next one, Ush, nest. Let's repeat. Ush, nest. Congratulations, we have completed the lesson number 7 for level 1. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Wada'a araka kariban. Goodbye. See you soon.